Water with lemon juice, so simple and healthy at the same time. We explain why it is beneficial to drink lemon water every day. The immune system is boosted. Lemons contain a significant amount of vitamin C, up to 50 milligrams per 100 grams, making them an excellent immune system booster. Not only that, but vitamin C also enhances the body's absorption of iron, which is crucial for a robust immune system. Because our bodies cannot produce vitamin on their own, it is crucial that we consume it through food. So a glass of lemon water in the morning or just about any time of the day makes sense. Vitamin C also functions as an antioxidant, which means that it binds to free radicals and contributes further to a robust immune system. Additionally, drinking lemon water regularly can help prevent colds and flus. If you already have a cold or flu, lemon juice antibacterial effect can help you recover more quickly by fighting off bacteria in your respiratory tract. Of course, you can enjoy the healthy lemon water in the form of a delicious tea. Ingwer's lemon water. The lemon water is excellent against freezing when mixed with a little ingwer. The digestion is controlled. Whoever keeps an eye on proper material flow and balanced oxidation starts the day off right with a glass of lemon water in the morning. Your gallon production is triggered when you drink lemon water, which leads to better fat burning. Additionally, citric acid increases the motion in the stomach and intestines. Additionally, lemon water contains pectin, which also encourages and supports oxidation, as well as oxidation-promoting enzymes. So, 3 good reasons to start the day with lemon water. Lemon water dissolves crystalline lanthanide. Lemon water provides the highest citrate volumes, which is essential for regular bacterial activity. Citrate aids in the release of Hansa crystals, which can cause pain by forming, for instance, in the nasolabial folds. Additionally, the crystals in the joints may separate and release gitch. You can prevent the pain caused by nephroliths, gisht, and related conditions with healthy lemon water. You still retain your health and mobility in this way. You should exit more easily. Is not only healthy, but it can also aid in weight loss. Because the body needs vitamin C to produce the vital hormone noradrenaline, which is necessary for fat metabolism. The hormone aids in releasing fat from the fat cells and making it available to the body as a source of energy. The production of L-carnitin, which is necessary for the breakdown of fat in the musculature, is also aided by vitamin C. Furthermore, the body's need for vitamin C increases when dieting. Because the vitamin is water-soluble, it is more readily excreted when there is increased urination, which frequently occurs when dieting. The body will be basic. Lemons are indeed sour, yet they are among the foods high in alkalinity. This means that while lemonade may taste saucier, the minerals that have a foundational effect on health, such as calcium and magnesium, enter the bloodstream. This is vitally important for the body. For instance, a lemon contains 170 milligrams of calcium per 100 grams. Among other things, potassium helps the heart and the muscles. However, magnesium supports the heart, muscles, and nerve cells. This substance also promotes healthy teeth and skin. Drink a glass of water mixed with fresh lemonade to begin the day feeling healthy and fresh. Your energy level rises. It has been demonstrated that the energy of the body and mood can both be affected by the scent of lemons. Naturally, the same is true for the zingy fresh water. Additionally, the enticing effect of the water can provide you an energy boost because it makes you feel more fit overall. Additionally, sour is amusing, and being in good spirits naturally increases your energy and motivation. The air becomes fresher. Citrons have antibacterial properties. This means that they have a cleansing effect. The antibacterial properties of citron can be fully exploited, especially as citron N water. Because it eliminates excessive bacterial growth in the mouth, citronine water, for instance, is effective against mouth odor. However, you shouldn't consume too much lemon water at once if your rooster has already been irritated or you have a sensitive stomach. Your body will be gifted. The additional liquid and the harm-suppressing effects of the citron ensure that you expel more waste materials through your urine. In this way, the body is cleansed and its organs are depleted. Your body will advance as though on its own if you continue to focus on nutrition and consume fewer dairy products. This naturally leads to an improved sense of body and increased well-being. Lemon water provides you with liquid. In addition to the citron's many health benefits, one should remember when consuming citron water that they are ingesting an excess of liquid. If you don't drink enough water, especially in the summer, your body will quickly get dehydrated. The citron in water ensures that you stay hydrated and in shape. Additionally, it adds variety to your fluid intake because drinking nothing but water would get boring after a while. You can even make the lemon water a little sweet, as stated below. You will therefore receive a light and healthy lemonade that is easy to incorporate into your daily life. No matter how sweetened or unsweetened, lemon water is the ideal refresher. Lemon water for beautiful skin. Another benefit of lemon water is that it promotes the production of collagen. Proteins like collagen are necessary for healthy hair, skin, and teeth. Additionally, it strengthens our skin. The substance keeps the skin elastic and flexible, which contributes to its youthful appearance. In this way, hanging skin and false teeth are actively combated. The lemon water's emulsifying effect also improves the appearance of the skin. Therefore, it is possible to combat diseases like pickle or a cane using water. Additionally, as was already said, free radicals are bound within the body, automatically causing damage to the skin. So, if you place a premium on having a beautiful complexion, you must wait to properly enjoy the lemon water. Simple and effective. Quick recipe for lemon water. You may easily make your own lemon water. You should use warm water because it is closest to your body's temperature and will have a more good effect on your body. Naturally, you can also use cooled water, especially in the summer. Even a few ice cream sandwiches are acceptable. You should use a citrus press to extract the juice from 3 to 4 lemons and combine it with 1 liter of water. If you'd like, you can also add a little xylitol or stevia to the sweetener. You can drink the lemon water in various amounts throughout the day, such as in a cup or a bottle if you're on the go. You can add some lemon slices and, for example, some thyme or mint to a coffee in addition to the pressed juice for aromatization. The valuable ingredients, such as the etheric oil from the shale, appear not only beautiful but also enter the water in this manner. Additionally, the flavor of the lemon water is a little bit more varied and it's really simple to include into daily life.